Looks good. Power 2. Hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar, welcome back. Get to go on another cruise today. Longer one, more of my buddies are going to be there. Well, the last couple times, nobody was there. And since it's going to be 98 degrees, why not go ride around in a hot muscle car all day? I'm going to meet up at Drew's house. We're going to get a look at his Demon. I'm going to have a video coming on that. You'll see it. I've done a couple clips on him in videos already. Anyway, it's running dry. Well, it isn't going to go today now because he's having heating, cooling problems. We'll do a video. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to roll out of here. I was hoping it was going to cool off today, so I'm not. That's okay. So without further ado, we'll be on our way here shortly. I can't believe it. You brought the Demon. Oh geez, hi Stacy.
I'll make you famous.
You want to be famous? You brought the Demon. I didn't. She cooling?
About 205, 210.
Well, we'll have to look at this. Holy crap. You're rolling.
There we go. That's a good part.
You got a clutch in there now, huh?
I was like, why is it still rolling? I didn't even park.
Holy crap. I didn't think you're bringing this. I didn't think you got the... Well, you didn't get your new rad yet. But...
No, that'll be Monday. It's
cool.
I gotta check the driveline angles.
See rat vibrating a little?
Yeah, got a little bit of some little rear end noise. And now that the motor was leaning a little bit to this, so I lifted this side up and tightened the U-bolt because they're slotted because they're the new style.
U-bolt. Where at?
They got the bolts, they're the 73 up, the motor mounts.
Motor mounts. Okay. Oh, sure, you got, yeah.
So I lifted this side up a little and tightened the bolt to get the motor set a little level. Well, now the header's touching the bolt on the steering wheel.
Well, that's cool.
Gearbox, so I got
cool.
True about the Demon. Trouble is, radiator's not adequate. It's 22-inch, 2-core. Yeah, so sun's gonna show up. They got a 69 Roadrunner 4-speed car. So anyway, yeah, cool.
Looks good. Power 2. Can't let Drew do all the showing off. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, he needs a different rad. Running 210. I'm running 10 degrees hotter, 190. We'll do a big video on him. Anyway, so here it is, Maryville, Illinois. The little 78 Roadrunner. Drew's Charger's down there. One of the boys.
gas out of the car where it ain't supposed to pour out, so I'm turning around, gonna go back. Unfortunately, I guess I became the line leader for this car show thing. The guy behind me, he had no idea where to go. I guess that's what Google Maps are for. Alright, let's see what's happening. Stuck float bowl in the back, huh? Let's see what we find. I have to stay out of the four-barrel the rest of the day. Do we hate cars, boys? There was a tiniest piece of sand or something, maybe in the needle. Let me see. I think we're good now. Pull the flow bowl level out of the back where the seat is for his four-barrel float is full of fuel to the tippy top. It's pouring into the engine. And yeah, I took a couple pulls on the float seat deal, trying to drive and talk and think it ain't easy. And the teeniest, tiniest, a quarter the size of a pinhead piece of metal was in there. So know in a couple months whether that was it or not, but anyway, yeah, we gotta go drop off that young man's tools, and we're gonna go up the road, the river road.
So your neighbor sold that one to you for 200? Is that what you said?
Still got 2 hours. Got a little government assistance.
We'll take it.
Oh, you got some good shoes at least. Yeah. Yep. A couple female cops. Let's get her home. Probably a rocker shaft. Sounds like driver's side. Sucks. Shut her down early. Had good oil pressure. I'll tell you more when we get home. But today's over. Big storm's coming too. Well, that was an adventure. We're back. I'm back. They're back. It's gonna rain, thank God. It's been dry, wicked dry. Yeah, there was a piece of sand, itsy bitsy, the tip of it, not even a pinhead. It was more like the tip of a pin. I think was it. I took the seat, kind of sucked on it, and yeah, so the four-barrel, the back bowls were filled up. It was running like crap, did that, ran fine, and then we were on the road again, and we weren't going fast because that thing's wanting to overheat, or it could overheat, coming down on it anyway. So yeah, we ended up under a bridge down by the river in a van. So anyway, yeah, he started hearing a ticket. And it was a bit, so either he's got a solid roller cam in that thing with, of course, roller rockers. So something might have loosened up, probably did. That's what this is about, a shakedown of a new build. So it's been shaken down. Need to look at the CUDA a little bit. Had to wait for a train, so I was a quarter mile. I just shut her down, let her coast. And something I heard almost sounded like if you have a rock in your hubcap or something, not that loud, up in the left front, I believe. So it's probably not a bad idea for me to grease the wheel bearings. I'll I'm gonna try to make nationals part of it. We'll see how work goes. I don't know. I'm not holding my breath, but I think I got a video coming out. I know I do. This thing's gonna need new tires. I'll probably throw a 276 gear in there, get the RPM down, get that gas mileage up, go from there. But anyway, guys, that's about all I got. I don't recall if I've had a bit set under a bridge. I know on the way home from college a few times with a 12-pack in the car, we had to stop under a bridge. Yeah, whatever. I don't know why I added that in there. So anyway, I'm gonna redo this one.